So here is how to fix high memory CPU or RAM usage on Windows 11 and boost your performance almost instantly. So first, what we're going to do is open the task manager, and in here you want to look for intensive processes that use lots of resources and you don't need them. So you can click on the CPU tab here to sort them by usage, and then you can click on the memory to sort them by memory usage, and as well as disk and network. So for example here, Google Chrome is using 3 gigs of memory, so you can right click on it and end task if you don't need it, same as the Steam and Discord and other apps, based on the memory usage, of course, or CPU, whichever you want. Next, you can close this and then right click Windows icon, open the run prompt in here, and in here we want to type msconfig, press enter, and in this window we want to go to services. Now we want to hide all Microsoft services, and then you can try to disable all the services that are not for Microsoft and potentially not needed when your computer runs, such as the virtual machines and Parsec, NVIDIA stuff, MySQL, Google, and stuff like that. You can click on disable all to disable all the services. Next, you can press apply. Now we want to go to the startup tab and open task manager from the startup tab, or you can open the task manager right away from the taskbar, and then go to startup apps, and in here you want to make sure to disable any apps that you don't need when Windows starts, such as Riot Client and stuff like that, Parsec or OneDrive, or any other processes or apps that you don't need to be run automatically as soon as Windows starts. So this will boost the performance as soon as you boot your device. So it reduces the lags and stuff like that. So you can leave only critical processes such as Windows Defender and stuff like that, such as audio drivers or graphic apps that are needed. Otherwise, everything else should be disabled, and that saves you a lot of time when you boot your PC, so it doesn't get bloated and laggy. Next, we can close out of this and then right click Windows logo, go to settings, and in here we want to click on system and then scroll down to storage, and now we want to wait for the cleanup recommendation to be clickable like this. Now you can click on it and it will suggest you cleanup recommendations, which files to remove, such as recycle bin and downloads and a bunch of other things if you run it for the first time. Now you can clean up to save some disk space because it will remove the content of recycle bin and temporary files and stuff like that. Now you can simply click clean up and then click continue and wait for it to clean up the files that are no longer needed. Now once it finishes cleaning up, you can close this and then right click on the Windows logo, run, and in this run command we want to type sysdm.cpl, press enter, and this window should pop up. Now we want to go to advanced, and then under performance group you want to click settings, and in here you can either let Windows choose what's best for you, or you can adjust it for the best appearance, or you can adjust it for the best performance if you want the maximum performance in video games and stuff like that. You can select this one right here and click apply and OK, and that should disable unnecessary things such as animations and stuff like that, and it will make Windows much faster and much lighter to use. Now you can simply press OK and close this, and that's pretty much it. Now you will just need to reboot your PC and it should feel very different. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.